Hey, what's up guys, Ben here. Today I've got 6 Plasma Storm packs here to open, and I've never done these videos before, so don't be too harsh on me. So let's just start opening these. Put that to the side. I've got a code card. I've got a bunch of these code cards, huge pile of them. If you would like one, I have no problem giving them away. Just leave a comment and I will send you a personal message on YouTube and with a code. So we'll do a 3-card switch. Alright, so we start with Team Plasma Grunt, Vanillish, Solrock, Riolu, Chimchar, Magnemite, Fanpy, Turtwig, Litwick, and a Moltres EX on the first pack. Look at that. That's nice. Give a close-up of that. There's its moves. It's a nice card. I'll pop that in a sleeve in a second. Other cards to this side. Alright, we'll open the next pack. That was a pretty good pull for the first time. For the first pack, I mean. So there's another code card. So, we'll start with the Colress machine. Doesn't want to focus in. Okay, there we go, Colress machine. Togetic. I don't know how to say all the names of these. Lampent, Purloin, Litwick, Turtwig, Riolu, Zubat, Trubbish, and a Gallade. First holo. It's nice. I like these blue borders they got on these new Plasma Storm series. It's a nice change. So we'll start off with Watchog, Elgium, Heatmore, Ralts, Trubbish, Magnemite, Lotad, Swinub, Gallade, reverse holographic, so that matches the other one, and a Togekiss. It's a nice holographic there. Alright, next up, the Plasma Frigate. Oh, sorry, that was my phone. Donphin, Bicycle, Scraggy, a Trubbish, a Patrat, Frillish, Rufflet, a Weezing. That's a nice looking card there. And a Torterra. That's a nice card. I like how these look. They're really nice. New code card. Alright, let's start off with Rotom, Magneton, Galvantula, Coughing, Ralts, Trubbish, Magnemite, Lotad, Bravery, that's a nice card, I always like that Pokemon, and a Vanilluxe. So the rare, it's nice. And for the final pack, another code card. And we'll start this one off with a Special Energy, a Coughing, Algam, Clefairy, a Cherubi, Clink, Zubat, Squirtle, Amoonguss, and finally, Garbodor. So that's the final holographic card and the final rare. So I hope you guys enjoyed this on these pack openings. I've got 6 of these Plasma. Actually, I had 3 more from last night too, so I've got 9 for these booster pack code cards. So be sure to leave a comment. I really have no problem giving these away. I don't use them myself. So, and we'll load that Moltres up as well. I also have a booster box coming in the mail in the next couple of days, so we'll be opening that up. You can subscribe if you'd like to see that in the next couple of days. So thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.